Hey everyone, my name is George, and today I'm going to quickly show you how to use the JSON-LD Google Tag Manager fix generator. So this is a simple tool that I built so that you can fire your JSON-LD code through Tag Manager, which some of you might have noticed that does not get picked up by Google these days. And if you run it through Google Structured Data Testing tool, it will fail to get picked up as well. So with this generator, what you do is you paste your JSON-LD code in here. So I've already generated that, and once you paste it in here, you just click on Generate Tag Manager Code. But if your code has any bugs in it, for example, if you remove that closing bracket there and try that, it'll show you that the code is invalid. You can actually click on this button and it will open up the Structured Data Testing tool in Google, and you can test it there, where it will give you a more meaningful error. And once you fix that, you can go back in and try this. And when you click on Generate Code, you'll see that the code is generated over here. So there are two ways that you can copy the code. You can either copy the minified version, which will work fine, or the prettified version, which will be a lot easier to edit later if you want to edit it later. But for performance, I would suggest pick this option, which is minified, and then you can copy the code. Once it's copied, you get a small message saying that it's copied, and now you can go paste this in your tag manager, and the Google Structured Data Testing tool should be able to pick it up. And that's all. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just drop me a comment and I will get back to you.